Over the last 4 months, the Endeavour team has been hard at work on our prototype phase. During this time, we took the research from our concept phase and used it to prioritize the 6 highest risk areas. Each of these prototype areas had their own brainstorming, investigation, and validation phases. In the spirit of rapid prototyping, we built surveys for both guerrilla testing and professional public channels. We ran ideas through UR Fast studies, ran a journal study to understand how people plan and travel, and conducted card sorting experiments to learn what information people value about a place. From these early prototypes, we learned that people value recommendations from their trusted network more than images of a place or its ratings and reviews. In order to understand how frequently people save places, we started experimenting with saving places via text messages, photos, and other methods. One of these methods was a Wizard of Oz prototype we called KJ-Bot. Our team would text KJ a place to save, and KJ would save these places on a Pinterest board. This experiential research showed us the power of discovering places through others, and the desire to see what others were recommending. It helped us to learn how hard it is to save places on other tools today, and showed some gaps for us to consider, like saving experiences instead of places. We built a code prototype called Beam as a way to help our dev team build engineering app muscle across iOS, Android, and Windows platforms, and to learn what we need to create for our own service infrastructure. We partnered with C3 to start early thinking about community creation. We also drove a design direction effort to explore and define our brand, visuals, voice, motion, and audio. We needed to figure out which place data we could get from Bing and where we can store user-generated data. We're currently looking into which key services and apps we need to connect with. Data from these smaller prototypes led to a codified vision of what Endeavour will ultimately become. The end results of our prototyping phase proved that we can build an app to help users discover and create everyday adventures inspired by the people they trust. Our whole team has been self-hosting the prototypes, and we're excited about the direction we're heading. If you want to discover and create your own adventures, you can install Endeavour today. And coming soon, we'll show you how Endeavour and mixed reality can bring people together to collaboratively plan their journeys in the metaverse.